AnyLogs is a face recognition-based attendance and timesheet logging system that is fast, easy and simple for users. In this video, we'll explain how to use AnyLogs user app. Once a particular member is registered, he or she can download an Android or iOS app on their mobile device. Members can log into the app using credentials saved during the registration process. On login, members will see check-in and check-out buttons. Members can click on check-in to record entry, and check-out to record exit. On pressing either buttons, AnyLogs activates the camera to capture photos in selfie mode, and runs a face match algorithm to identify members. Organizations can choose to track the GPS location of a member at the time of face identification. If the system administrator enables geolocation tracking feature, AnyLogs captures GPS coordinates, along with date and time. To know more about GPS location tracking, please refer to our GPS tracking tutorial. Link attached in description below. Members can check previous attendance history by going to dashboards. They can choose a horizon and get the attendance status, work hours, along with entry and exit times for each date. Members can click on each record for a further drill down of data. Members can also place a correction request in case an entry was incorrectly recorded. Members can go to Profile section to edit or update any personal information. AnyLogs user app makes time clocking easy and accessible to members working from remote locations. In case you have any queries, please reach out to us at support@anylogs.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.